When their company experienced low sales, Mr. Tomlinson took a pay cut of 20%, which resulted in a new salary of 51,300 pesos. What was Mr. Tomlinson's salary before the pay cut? Okay, so gawa natin ng equation ito. What was Mr. Tomlinson's salary before the pay cut? So that is the original salary. Okay, so the expression for this will be the original salary minus the pay cut that is equal to the new salary. Okay, so that will be our equation. So let the new salary be X. So we have X minus the pay cut. So according to the problem, the pay cut is 20%. 20% or in decimal, that is equal to 0.20 or simply 0.2. So 0.2, we will multiply this to the original salary, which is X. So therefore, we have 0.2 times X equals the new salary. And the new salary is equal to 51,300 pesos. Okay? So now, solve the value of X. So we just combine this. There is an invisible 1 here. 1x minus 0.2x, that is equal to 0.8x. That is equal to 51,300 pesos. And then last step, divide both sides by 0.8. Okay? When dividing decimals, all we have to do is make the denominator whole number. So let's just move this. One decimal placed to the right, also to the numerator, just add 1 0. So therefore, we have 513,000 pesos divided by 8. So let's just do this manually. So 513,000 divided by 8. We have 51 divided by 8. That is equal to 6. 6 times 8, we have 48. Okay, subtract. So we have 3. Bring down another 3. 33 divided by 8, we have 8. 8. Oh, okay. This will be 4. 4 times 8, we have 32. And then subtract, we have 1. Bring down 0. 10 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So we can stop here because we already have 641 in the choices. The correct answer is letter E, 64,125. So let's just continue. So 10 divided by 8, we have 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 8, that is equal to 2. 2 times 8, we have 16. Subtract, we have 4. Bring down the last 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So the correct answer is letter E, 64,125. So follow me for more content like this.